Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. On today's video, I've created this hot girl glow summer makeup look. This makeup look is perfect if you're heading out for drinks. It's super long lasting, it's glowy, or if you're just on vacation sitting by the pool like I'm about to do after recording this video. Here is the tutorial. So we're down in the house in the south of France, and I thought, why not create that hot girl glow summer makeup look? And I'm sure you guys are also either you've been on vacation or you're going on vacation, or maybe you are currently on vacation. So I've chosen products obviously that are kind of sweat proof but not too heavy on your skin either. And to start, I'm gonna go with my Chantecaille foundation. This is the new foundation that is the gel oil free foundation, and I'm going to use shade Nude. I do have a little bit of a tan going on, so it should be fine. And I'm gonna apply it with my Victoria Beckham Beauty brush. Obviously I did my skincare. I've got my sun protection SPF 50, and I don't even need to sit in the sun and I get full of freckles. And I do tan very easily. And this foundation is great because it's kind of cooling at the same time. It's a beautiful foundation. Super lightweight, sets completely, and you can build it a little bit if you wanted to have more of a medium coverage. Let's add a little bit of concealer. I'm going to go with my Victoria Beckham. This is Le Pen Corrector, the concealer pen, sorry, with Augustinus Butter, and it's mixed with skincare. So I do like products that are a little bit hybrid. So it's makeup mixed with skincare, and I think if you're gonna go for a summer makeup, you want to be glowing, but not glowing like a disco ball, and you want something that is equally light but also working good onto your skin. I think this is the perfect combination of product as complexion product, and it just adds a lot of brightness under your eyes. I'm using shade Light 2, I believe, Light 1. I'm gonna add some more just down up here, just like this. So I've done my nose contour, but I think I need to add a little bit more. Now I'm curious to know what you guys have been doing for your summer vacation. Are you going anywhere? Have you been somewhere? Have you traveled abroad? What's the plans? So for us, we're spending 2 weeks here down in the south of France in our house that we are still trying to convert into an Airbnb, but the process is just taking forever. We do still have some little renovation and home improvement to do. So this is the room I'm in right now, is the queen room that is completely finished. This is where my parents are staying usually when they come with us. The only thing that is actually not complete and finished is our room, the master bedroom. I don't know, I just really struggle with, we're still finishing with some renovation, and I just cannot get my head around the decoration and the look I want to give it until it's completely, the renovations are done and all the cables and the wires are gone. I feel like I just cannot get my head around it. So that's really, that's what I need to be doing. But otherwise the garden is done, we have the pool, we've been swimming every day. And to be honest, I think today is one of the first days I'm actually wearing makeup and doing my makeup, because we've just been outside and really enjoying. And then the living room was done a while back. That was one of the first rooms. So the downstairs is quite done. My husband has his little office as well downstairs. And then we've got the kids' room that is just, you know, a kids' room. It's pretty standard. So quite happy with the whole process anyway, but it's taking so long. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of my Westman Atelier drops that I'm using the shade, I think it's the lightest shade of the 4 shades. And I'm just gonna apply it on the back of my hand first and tap it with my finger because I don't want to apply too much. and just come here and add a little bit of bronzing, just like this. I really like this product. I think it's such an easy product to use. It is completely matte, it's super lightweight. Oh, and I smudged some down here, like this. I can hear my husband on a call downstairs. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I don't think so, but I don't know why we have so many aircraft flying over the house today. It is crazy. We're not super far from the airport, to be honest. It's a very quick drive, and well, I mean, we're in the south of France. I feel like everything is pretty close. But yeah, it's been a very noisy morning. I've just realized my camera stand is slowly going down. So if you do see the frame moving, I don't know what to do. The phone and the camera stand is just, there's something loose somewhere, and it's literally just sliding down slowly as I'm filming. I guess I need to buy a new stand. Anyway, that's a problem for later. Back to the makeup. I set my cream product and foundation with the Huda Beauty setting spray. I really like the setting spray. If you're looking for something that is gonna stay and last and actually blurs, the Huda Beauty setting spray is absolutely amazing. And also when, you know, it's warm, you're on vacation, you're probably gonna go for drinks, or you're going down the pool, the beach, whatever you're doing. I think if you want your makeup to last and look good for few hours, you do need to set a little bit your makeup. So I'm gonna add a little bit of powder. I want to keep the glow no matter what, but I will be setting with some powder. So I've got my Givenchy Prisme in the compact format. I'm gonna use it to set my under eyes and bring some brightness. And same onto the other side. Obviously, make sure you don't have any creases before you do this. I'm gonna powder my nose as well a little bit on the side here, since it's really warm today. It's about, I think the forecast for today is 32 degrees Celsius, degrees, whatever, no, not Fahrenheit. Yeah, about 30, 34, 35, whatever it is. So it's quite warm. It's just under 100 degrees Fahrenheit for you guys in the US. So just like, so we still keep the glow, but we've powdered a few places. Face has been set, so we're ready to go with my NARS palette. So this is the Hot Escape Cheek Palette 2, and I think, as far as I'm concerned, this is a perfect palette for summertime. Look at these colors. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. So I'm gonna be using the pink blush with the other blush, kind of, it looks like it's Orgasm, but it's not. It's Topless and Dominant. So I'm gonna mix the two of them together. So this palette is quite pigmented, so I would say if you are using it, go with a light hand to start with. I'm gonna apply my super pink blush here, and I'm going to add the other blush. I'm gonna layer them together with my Victoria Beckham brush, but I'm gonna use the smaller side, the smaller end. And this blush is just perfect to layer just on the apple of the cheek like this. And look how glowy and reflective this is. You barely don't need a highlighter. It makes me think of the Chanel, the new palette, the Soleil Couchant, and I can't remember what's the name of the other one. But the kind of look and feel of this blush, it makes me think of the Chanel palette. For my eyes, I'm gonna keep it very simple. I'm using my Tom Ford palette. This is the summer collection and it is Bronze Isle. And I'm only going to use the shimmer shade here at the top. I'm gonna apply it with a flat brush. Just like this. mainly on the mobile eyelid, and I'm gonna just blend it upwards very smoothly, just like this, not more than this. Eyes are done. I did my liquid eyeliner from Dior. This is the Dior Show Liquid Liner in shade Satin Brown. My mascara is the YSL Lash Clash. But under the waterline at the base of the eyelashes at the bottom, I've used my bronzer from the NARS palette, this shade, and I've used it under just to add a little bit of a shadow. I wanted something matte but has a nice luminosity into it. So that's what I did, just to create a little bit of a shadow under my eyes. For the lips, I don't want to add anything too crazy. I think there's already enough going on as it is with all the colors. I'm going to use my sheer lip liner from Merit in shade Coupe. What's the exact name? It's Signature Lip Sheer Lip Liner. I'm gonna place it roughly and then smudge it. So here it really doesn't have to be perfect. The only downside of this lip liner is because it's so sheer that you'll have to touch it up and reapply the minute you eat, drink, or it doesn't take long that it's gone. So that's the only disadvantage of this lip liner, but I really like it. And I'm going to apply my gloss. This is the Chanel and it's shade, I don't know what's the name, but the shade is 804, the Rouge Cocoa Gloss. It's that really nice baby pink. It's just one of the perfect shade because it's pink but almost transparent, and it's so nice on the lip, very comfortable to wear. So this is the final look, super lightweight. You don't feel like you have anything heavy onto your skin. Your skin is protected because you have SPF 50 minimum, and this is a super long lasting makeup. It's great for a day out, for drinks, if you're going, whatever you're doing in your vacation. I think this is the perfect hot girl glow summer makeup look. And also, it doesn't matter if you're not on vacation. You can do that and just pretend you are and go for drinks with your friends. You do not have to be on vacation. The idea of a makeup look like this is really just to have something that will last, that is flattering, that is a little bit more summery in terms of shade. It's glowy, but it's not greasy, and it's super long lasting because we've set with some powder and the setting spray, but I still have a really nice glow going on. So it's kind of your skin but better, and it has matched my neck and my décolletage because my face is definitely lighter. As usual, I will be listing down below all the product that I've used for today's makeup look. I want to know what you guys think. Should I make more tutorial like this? Let me know down below in the comments. I want to know what you guys think. Any suggestions, put them down below as well. So I'm thinking of doing in my upcoming video something more about hair care as well for summer, and I think summer leading up to fall. And I think I'm going to change my hair color. I don't know what hair color I have at the moment anyway. I think the blonde has left my hair, so I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a change. But any suggestion, any ideas, put them down below. I'm quite keen to spice things up a little bit. If you want to see more video like these, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A big thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.